Alright guys, here's my bike check. Here we got the Amity RD bars, 28 wide because it's good for bar spins I guess. And then here we got the E-Clack skate grips, really soft, worn in, but that's what makes them soft. And then we got the Fit Bike Co stem in green. It's a really nice looking stem I think, really nice. And then we got the Amity Jesus forks, a little imprint there, it's really nice, really light. And then we got the salt pegs, yeah the pegs, nothing special, no one really gives a shit I guess. Then we got the Amity Calamity wheel, bit buckled here and there but it's still a nice wheel, I like it. Just need to get it to a shop to tighten the spokes up, then it's not buckled anymore. Then we got the Fit Bike Co Fit FEF in tan, 2.25 the front. I like it. I like the look of the tyres, they look nice on my bike. Yep. And then we got the Kink integrated headset. Spins pretty nice. Well, I say that, spins pretty shit, but it still does the job I guess. And then we got the Amity top cap there, can't forget that. These knees, bike wouldn't work without it. Well it will, but still. And then we got the sick lace job here to hide a little big dent scratch thing. Yeah. Then we got the Amity RD in chronic green, 21 inch, 4.8 IBS. It's more a street frame. I think it's good, best frames I've ever ridden. Then again, I've only ridden 2 frames, so yeah. And then we got the blank cranks. They're nothing special, I got them because they're cheap. So yeah. And then we got the Fit Bike Co pedals, plastic because metal ones fucking hurt if they hit you in the leg, so yeah. And then we got the Eastern sprocket because basically I got it because it's cheap because my one's got bent, so yeah. Then we got the the stolen bottom bracket, gold, if you can see it, I don't know, but yeah, gold. I think it looks quite nice, goes with the bike. Yep. And then we got the Amity RT seat. It's not too thin, not too fat, just the right size, very nice. Then we got the Amity, animal seat post. Is well, no one really gives a shit about a seat post. Then we got a half-link chain, it looks very nice, I like it. Then, moving down even further, we got the Amity Calamity wheel. What can I say? What can I say? Still a bit buckled, but yep. And a really nice hub sound. Don't know if you can hear it or not. And then we got a Fit FEF on the back, 2.10, because it's cool if you have a smaller one on the back. Yeah. And then we've got another salt peg. Like I said, nothing special about it. So, yeah, guys, my bike check. Hope you like it. As you can see, the bike is a beast of a Brenda, and I got the bee's knees.